I am so excited to take you on a tour of my grandma's garden. It is a hydrangea haven. Enjoy. It's a magnolia tree.
Yep.
And then daylilies underneath.
Yep.
Yeah, this tree looks way better. You said it got the most blooms?
Yep, it got the most blooms.
I guess we're supposed to walk on the pathway.
No. That's my wintergreen boxwood. And this it's right around the corner.
Yep, I see it.
This smells really good but I kind of let it go this year. They were kind of bad last year. And this one's kind of sick, but I'm kind of
just nursing it.
Yeah. And I've got like 5 different kinds of creeping phlox. I'm having to wait till it blooms again to
know what it is.
Yeah, my roses, there was a whole lot of pretty blooms on them. Then back there is my clematis. It has beautiful white and purple. That's called jackmill clematis.
Those little like swirly things are still pretty.
Yeah, and it just stays like that the rest of the summer.
Yeah, that's pretty. I like the red.
Yeah, those are my favorites.
I don't have a lot of red.
But these things, you can't kill them, and they bloom.
Mm-hmm.
They'll bloom until after fall.
Always like this.
Yeah, those moonbeams just go crazy.
It kind of comes up like a hedge.
Yep, it does.
You got a lot of planters this year, Grandma. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
You don't usually do so many planters.
No.
Oh, it looks so good, Grandma. This is a butterfly bush, right?
Yeah.
Is it about to bloom?
Yes, it's getting ready to. That's called pink delight.
Oh, that's cool looking.
Yeah, those are called torch lily.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I got those at that one little shop. Those are the August lilies.
Okay.
Those are all August lilies. That's the name.
Ozark Sundrop?
Yes, but it says on the thing that it likes rocks. It likes to lay. And it has beautiful yellow flowers all over it.
I like the stems. I like anything that's different.
All my daylilies are happy return.
I love how these look.
That catnip.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then these little flowers are called a balloon.
They're pretty.
Yeah.
Are these impatiens?
Sunpatience.
Sunpatience.
Because they love the sun.
What are these hydrangeas?
These two are little hotties.
Limelight prime. This thing will be so pretty back here.
Yeah, and it'll grow big.
Yes. It looks so.
And then those little things are like a Japanese little, just a border.
Yeah, I like those variegated grasses.
But I was amazed at these were so little.
Did you plant those new last year?
Yeah, I planted them new. And look at them.
Yeah, they really showed out for being the first time.
Yeah, they did. I don't know. It says that they'll last all summer.
Veronica, lavender, is that what that is? Magic show?
Yeah, the magic show.
Pretty.
These are just coreopsis. Then I have another butterfly bush over there, and then that's the Russian sage.
I have an area of Russian sage that is not doing very well. I don't know what it is.
Is it in the sun? Yeah.
I don't know. Are these all the same?
These are all the firelight tidbits.
Okay.
All 5 of these.
You're going to have a show back here soon, Grandma.
I know. I can't wait.
Are these the same what's over on the other side?
Those are smaller.
Smaller?
Yeah, these are called kitten meow.
Okay.
Catnip.
I like the leaves on the impatiens.
Yes, I do too.
I think the way dark.
Yeah.
Just looks so good.
Those are called purple candy.
They are pretty.
But they do love the sun.
Your hibiscus tree looks great.
I know we had a bout with ants. But I tell you, I've never seen something bloom so much.
It's doing great.
Like, I'll get all those.
Is this new?
Yeah, I got that at Costco.
Well, it's nice you have your sunroom.
Yeah, where
I could.
There. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can't. I can't live outside. We're not in the zone for it. But these are all.
I've really come to love daylilies. I just
look at this one right here. Last night when I was watering, but all of those were kind of in bloom.
Oh yeah.
All of them all together. This creeping phlox is called a
red wing,
and they seem to do really well keeping their color. These are all firelight tidbits.
Okay.
These are. And then this one's the limelight. And then
another little hottie.
2 more little hotties.
Are you gonna get your fountain going?
I was gonna plant in it this year, but then I don't know. Yeah. I just had so many other things going on. It was just kind of sparse out here, so I just put it up in there.
The revamp looks so good.
It does, from what it did. I'm getting an awful lot of purple, though, purple and blue.
Yeah, but you're getting all the colors. You have your red, your white will come in once your hydrangeas go.
And I hope
your blue.
I hope a lot of this will stay colored by the time my hydrangeas come in with the white.
Yeah, look at you with all your planters, Grandma. It looks so good, Grandma.
I don't know. I don't need a whole lot more.
You are like.
I'm full.
Well, and once these hydrangeas fill out.
Right.
It looks so good.
These were 2 plants. And then the middle was kind of died out. And then all these other ones come in.
That's funny. Yeah. Isn't it funny what they do? Man, they bloomed, didn't they? Mine haven't bloomed yet.
And this is the other color of daylily.
Okay.
I've got. That's so pretty.
Yeah, I like that.
And then this stuff, I'm not sure. I forget what this is called.
It's about to bloom, though.
But I planted these peppers. I got them at Metatrista, and those are trees. That's a red bud, and that is like a bush. This is an elderberry tree.
Okay, I've seen those. I've been wanting one for the woods.
White.
Yes.
Yeah,
they have like purple ones and all different color ones.
And that was just a little sprout like this that we got at Metatrista.
Those get big.
And I thought I would start them in here.
You could put it in the back corner of your shed or something, get a little area there, and then it would just grow wild.
Yeah.
See, I like some things to just grow wild.
Right.
Another purple clematis. She really does a great job of growing them here. Getting a bloom finally.
I'm getting a bloom.
Isn't this your last year? You said this is your last year.
If they don't do something,
they heard you.
I'm gonna pull them out. These are endless summers.
Yeah.
And I've had these 10 years.
Yeah.
So, and this one's it's staying little.
It
so
is.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
There's some more blooms back there.
Yeah,
though.
but these 2 are getting some blooms. Now this side of the house, I'd like to, I don't know. I thought I needed more under there, but I really don't. But those little blue ones, they need more sun.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have to take them out of there.
You might have to just put impatiens over here. That would be pretty.
Yeah.
These are, but once these bloom, they're your showstopper.
Yeah, they are.
They just, and I love how you trimmed them, Grandma.
Yeah. I'm wondering here if I need to widen this. Here, and these hostas aren't doing as
you
well.
can always widen something.
I know. But
those hostas would be huge probably if you did.
Yeah. But I think they need just a little bit more sun.
Yeah. I love the canopy tree.
And then this one came out, this color of the daylily.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, those are pretty.
Yeah. Your salvia. I love a spirea like this.
Yeah, and I just let those grow yet.
Yeah, me
and I'm going
too.
to wait till they bloom. Now this is the quick fire.
Okay, it's really quick and firing up here, isn't
and that
it?
one's brand new.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that one's brand new. Because the other one didn't make it, and that was the only one. Oh, well, I had two.
You know, it's crazy once you trimmed mine. It grew so much at the bottom, which is
Did
good.
it? Yeah,
it
because it's going to fill that in.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yours just looks so good. It's lilac bush.
I don't know. I'm amazed at this creeping phlox of how much greener it has stayed compared to the other. Those are bobos.
Bobos?
Yeah,
oh, they look good. Yours are really going. Mine aren't don't have that much.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Variegated beech tree right here. It's pink. It's just so pink right now.
I know.
I hope you enjoyed this garden tour as much as I did. It is always so much fun when I get to hang out with my grandma, and I love nothing more than to talk about gardening. Give this a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
A daylily, but this is a hybrid.
It looks good. It's going to be really popping off here soon.
Yeah.